What is the technical name of this image? My dear participants, what is the technical name of this image? Can anyone give answer in the chat box? See, there is a cyber security integration with all the tools and technologies, research related terminology, jargon is presented. This is a special image. Can anyone answer chat box? Somebody is typing. What is the technical name of this image? 310 participants are there. What is the technical name of this image? If you don't know, no problem. I'll give you answer. See, yeah, somebody has given the answer is cyber security word cloud. This is, see how you are publicizing about MLRIT. See, the students or faculty, how you are publicizing about MLRIT through WhatsApp, through pamphlets, dashboards, scorecards, and banners, Facebook, and these are the mediums you are publicizing about MLRIT. Same way, we are publicizing about in computers world by using cyber security word cloud. That's why the technical name of this image is called cyber security word cloud. Keep in mind. Next, computer understands only ones and zeros. If you press capital A, system cannot understand capital A. Internally, it calculates ASCII format. ASCII value of capital A is 65. If you divide it by 2, 65 binary equivalent number is 100001. So that's why if you press capital A, system cannot understand. Wherever the data is there, there is a cyber security problem. How do we measure the data in cyber security? See, 1 bit is equal to 0 or 1, 4 bits is equal to 1 nibble, 8 bits is equal to 1 byte, 4 bytes is equal to 1 word, 4 words is equal to 1024 bytes, 1024 bytes is equal to 1 kilobyte, 1024 kilobytes is equal to 1 megabyte, 1024 megabytes is equal to 1 gigabyte, 1024 gigabytes is equal to 1 terabytes, 1024 terabytes is equal to 1 petabytes, 1024 petabytes is equal to 1 hectabyte, 1 hexabyte, 1024 exabyte is equal to 1 octabyte, 1024 octabyte is equal to 1 zettabyte, 1024 zettabyte is equal to 1 yottabyte, 1024 yottabyte is equal to 1 brontobyte, 1024 brontobyte is equal to 1 geobyte, 1024 geobytes is equal to infinity. If you ask me, there is a terminology, no. After geobytes, not GIO geo. This is GEO geobytes. After that, infinity. If you see same terminology in the mathematical range, 1 kilobyte is 10 power 3, megabyte is 10 power 6, gigabyte is 10 power 9, terabyte is 10 power 12, petabyte is 10 power 15, hexabyte is 10 power 18, zettabyte is 10 power 21, yottabyte is 10 power 24, brontobyte is 10 power 27, geobyte is 10 power 30. This is the way we are measuring the data in mathematical terminology and as well as measuring the data in cyber security.